Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I have this. This is a 3-in-1 nightlight foldable wireless charging station. So we're gonna give this thing a try here and see how it looks, if I can open it. All right, let's see what's inside. I'll show you guys here in a second. I'll just take everything out. Everything's out. Everything's out of there. Okay, so we have a charging nugget that is gonna be USB-C. We have a USB-C to USB-C wire. Always good. We have an instruction manual, user guide. And, well, that was Chinese. This is the English side here. So, okay, and then we have the device. So let's check this out, see how it looks. So it says, thanks for your order. Ensure the devices to be charged are enabled. Make sure they're in the center and push the button to make it go. Okay, so let's see. So that's what that sticker said. Let's take off the sticker. I'm not gonna be able to show you my phone because I'm recording with it, but I'll show you the other stuff. Okay, and then we have little stickers on our little phone section. And this is our Airpods section here. It looks cool. I like the way that looks. I guess when it goes up, oh yeah, when it goes up, it's got this little flat back here so you can kind of angle it how you like. So let's plug this in, see how we do. I have an outlet right around the corner. But I'm gonna have to move y'all so you can see it because the wire isn't very long. Okay, so we have, so let's see, oop, just undid that. So here we go, the little plug is in the back here. I'll stick it in. And there we go. So, oop, there it lights up. I guess that's what the button here is for the light. Okay, let's try to charge something. Put my watch on it. Oh, watch kind of fell down. I got that watch Ultra, but there we go. There, okay, it's charging. I don't know if it's gonna charge with the case on it, but let's see. Yeah, I'll take this off for a second just to see if it does it. Oh, it does. Look, the little light went on it, so it's charging that too. Let's see if I can charge them both at the same time. It does. So, yeah, pretty cool. So I guess I'll charge my watch and my headphones and my phone all at the same time. I'm guessing the phone will just kind of lean up against there and do it that way. So, pretty cool. So let's just look at this thing here again. And it folds up nice. You could actually take it with you for traveling if you needed to. It's got a little rubber section right here, so when you have your phone on it, it's not gonna get scratched up on the bottom. It'll kind of hit that little rubber part. So pretty nice, and I like the little light. And I guess that's, the coil looks kind of cool too, the way you can kind of see the charging coil. They should show it on this one too, but whatever, cool. So I like it. Where's the box? It was this 3-in-1 foldable wireless charging station. So pretty cool. I like it. Thumbs up for me. Pick up one of these. Cool.